Nicholas Kakalis, the co-founder and head of technology for PiNetwork, has been central to the project's mission of creating a user-friendly, decentralized cryptocurrency that prioritizes inclusivity and accessibility. The open network launch of PiNetwork is anticipated as a landmark moment in blockchain history, potentially solidifying PiNetwork's place in the industry by transitioning from its enclosed beta phase to a fully decentralized blockchain. This transition marks the beginning of a new phase, where the project is fully migrating to an open network. Since its inception, Pi has made significant progress, and its community is eagerly awaiting this next big step. Once the final preparations are done, PiNetwork will officially enter its open mainnet phase, setting the stage for exciting developments in the cryptocurrency world. Innovative mining mechanism. Unlike energy-intensive mining processes, PiNetwork allows users to mine via a mobile app, leveraging a unique consensus algorithm called the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP. This approach is designed to make blockchain technology more accessible. One of the major steps before the open mainnet launch is to calculate how much Pi is still available for mining. This is an important part of the transition, as it ensures a clear and transparent process for managing the remaining supply of Pi. During this migration phase, the network will utilize a structured approach to maintain track of the digital currency supply. With a limited number of Pi coins left to be mined, scarcity is expected to play a big role in determining its future value. As the supply decreases, demand for Pi could grow, especially as more people start using it in real-world applications. This could potentially make Pi more valuable over time, benefiting its community of users and early adopters. Impact on businesses. The adoption of Pi as a payment method may greatly benefit businesses, especially in emerging markets. After the adoption, businesses can reach a wider audience and attract more customers due to PiNetwork's large and growing community. Joining the PiNetwork can help businesses increase their visibility and grow faster in a world where cryptocurrencies are becoming more popular. Businesses will also have the option to convert Pi into cash instantly at market rates, giving them more financial flexibility. This makes it easier to manage their finances while providing customers with an easy and modern payment option. Future of Pi. Global growth and integration. As PiNetwork prepares to launch its open network, it lays the groundwork for wider use and adoption in the digital economy. Pi hopes to be more than just a payment option once it has fully moved to the open mainnet. It has the potential to revolutionize industries, including retail, finance, gaming, and more, by providing an open and decentralized worldwide payment network. Fourth, building ecosystem utility. PiNetwork is fostering a decentralized ecosystem of apps, Pi apps, to ensure that its currency has real-world utility, ranging from e-commerce to decentralized finance. Challenges and expectations. KYC, Know Your Customer. PiNetwork's KYC verification process is critical to ensuring a secure transition to the open network while maintaining user trust. The last migration phase is about more than just technology. It is about realizing Pi's goal of a decentralized economy that empowers individuals and businesses around the world. With its user-friendly interface and emphasis on community, Pi is well-positioned to challenge established banking institutions and generate exciting potential for global expansion. The Open Network launch, under Kakalis' leadership, aims to move PiNetwork closer to its vision of becoming a widely used, decentralized cryptocurrency that bridges the gap between blockchain technology and everyday users. It's indeed a moment that could shape the future of digital currency innovation. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.